did it.
Mine.
Aww. He's so cute. Yeah, we can't hold him right now. We can't hold him right now. They're stinking adorable.
They
And
are stinking adorable.
Mom, Dad made a box for them.
Yes, Daddy and Brody's made a box for him. Oh, we gotta put a sheet on it right now.
In a minute?
Marshall. Oh, goodness, Marshall.
And Marshall. But the bed gets open up. So they look like monsters. Oh, that's the tent.
Let's see him get out.
They won't.
They won't. Like they just stayed there, chewing on it.
Look right there. Look, that's their tent. That's their tent, Mommy. Crazy babies. Hi. Mom, it's the tent.
Yeah. I think it's a toy, those silly things.
It's a tent. That's their tent. Oh, hi.
Let go of it, you weirdos.
Go, you weirdos. But just they're so stinking adorable.
They are stinking adorable.
Mom, this one's over here.